Hey guys, what's up? It's Allison and I'm back with another squishy themed video and I'm so excited. I'm actually bringing you all my first squishy vlog. As you can probably see behind me, we are currently at the mall, we being me and my mom. She's not going to be on video because she's shy, but she is there. And I'm excited to try and find squishies, so let's get started. Okay guys, we're about to head into the mall. Okay, so the first place that we're going to go squishy hunting at is Claire's. Let's see if they have any new ones. Okay. Ooh, the sunglasses are so cute. Let's see. Squishies! So they have the normal Hello Kitty squishies. And they didn't have this donut the last time I was here. Ooh, that's super, super soft. And they have a bunch of these. They have some chicory bread squishies. It looks like they have some more Claire squishies in there. That's actually my mom squishing it. And they have this cute little bunny with glasses. It's actually super slurrizing. They have tons of the bunnies, and then they have this pineapple with a little kissy face on it. This one's a little bit more dense, but still pretty slurrizing and very cute. These are so cute. Little pineapple. Oh, it has a sombrero. And then they've had these for a long time, these yo-yo lip balms that are kind of squishy on the outside. They have a panda, a donut, a little narwhal, I believe. There's so many cute things, and then this side they just have the ones that are filled with flour. This one's pretty cute. The heart strawberry. They have emoji ones now. So there's this cute little new store called All Things Personalized, and I've actually never been in here before. I really like this. It's kind of rustic looking. So many cute things in here. They have tons and tons of cute little things. Look at these earbuds. How adorable is that? They have little candles. Tons and tons of different things. Ooh, look how cute these are. A little owl one. Oh, that's cute. You're perfect. I like that. And there's a little, I think this is a puppy. I think it's a puppy. Tons and tons of cute things. They also have kind of a bohemian style. I don't think we're going to find squishies in here, but definitely tons of cute stuff. It looks like they also have bath bombs. These are so cute, shaped like donuts. I think this one is my favorite. Ooh, look. There's one that looks like a popsicle. Poppin' Pink Grapefruit. Poppin' Pink Grapefruit. That is so cute. Okay, the next place that we're going to go is Route 21. And I heard from a couple people on YouTube that they have a few squishies in there now. I think they're supposed to be over here. Yes, so they have a few. Have a watermelon. That's actually really soft. They have a pineapple with sunglasses. That one's even softer. We have this cute little cactus squishy. Oh, and they have mochis too, little mochi phone cases. Very, very adorable. Really like the bunny one. They also have these ice creams. So they have a plain vanilla one, and then they have a strawberry vanilla one. Very cute. And it looks like that's all the squishies in here. I think the cactus is the cutest one. And it's also really soft and polarizing. Okay guys, so I'm currently in Walmart, walking back to the toy section to see if they've gotten any more squishies. The last time, ooh, those are so cute. The last time I was here, they were actually out. So let's see what they have today. So I'm in the toys, and I don't think I'm in the right aisle, but they do have these little splat balls. There's a tomato and a pig, there's a frog. And these are just a really fun kind of water toy to play with. Guys, I actually did find these little baby squishies in this aisle, the same aisle with the splat toys. And they only have these ones, and they're the Squishy Yums, the really little ones. They're $1.97. These are actually pretty dense. I wonder if they're all the same. Ooh, that one's even harder. This is definitely the softest one. Okay guys, so I'm in the normal squishy aisle, and I just found these. They're not squishies, but they're these very, very cute little Num Noms. Collectible cereal. I feel like this would be really messy. It says add water for magic milk surprise. There's some more cute stuff up here. The same brand. We have Shopkin stuff. The little Pygmy Pops in the different designs. And then of course they have the little characters with the costume squishies. It's a little dinosaur one. Pretty squishy. I'm actually not a huge fan of these. I like the squishies, but I don't like that the costumes are really hard. They have these Peel to Reveal Series 2. Very cute. And they have a couple of the Smooshy Mooshies little Frozen Delights. And they have, these are so cute, little raccoon pizza cornet kind of thing, the little bento boxes. And it looks like they also have the cheeseburger one. You might have seen this in the helicopters video she posted a while back. They have more Smooshy Mooshy things up here, the different little drinks that you can get. They have the Series 1 blind bags, and it looks like they also have Series 2. And more little cake pop cuties. They have the Shopkin Squish Delish blind bags. And they have these Pygmy Pops, the medium size and the jumbo. But I'm not seeing their normal large size squishies. They also have these little surprise boxes. Okay guys, I think I found these squishies. They have so many new ones. What's this? Bubble Ease. Oh, that's really heavy. It's not like a squishy, it's like a water toy, but there's Orbeez inside of it. And it looks like they have tons of new squishies since the last time I was here. Guys, look, there's a cat and a donut. How cute is that? That one's a little dense. Look at the mermaid kitty. All of these are brand new. I did not see any of these the last time I was here, and that was just last week. There's a cake. I've seen that one before. There's a koala sleeping on top of a cupcake, guys. That is so cute. And this one's actually really squishy. So these are the Series 2 in the animal palette. And it looks like there are tons of new ones. There's a puppy mermaid. There's a bunny in a, looks like an astronaut costume. Pretty squishy. There's, ooh, look how cute this is. There's a purple narwhal. It's a little dense, but still very, very cute. And you've all seen the popcorn before, and the cake. Oh guys, this is cute. There's a little, I don't know if these are cats or bears on top of an ice cream cone. It's pretty squishy. Some of these are dense and some of these are soft. I guess it just depends on which one. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is definitely one of my favorites, a fat dinosaur squishy. This one rises a little bit fast, but it's still very cute. There's a cloud with a star on it. You've all seen the taco. And I think that might be it for the new ones. It looks like there's also a cat holding a moon squishy. So I guess there's new kind of space-themed squishies in here. This one's been here for a while. The hot dog. Oh, this one's cute. I'm pretty sure this one is not new, especially since the packaging is so crinkled, but still very cute. Ooh, I don't remember seeing this one. The actual ice cream is a kitty on this one. Very, very cute. These things are everywhere and they're super heavy. If any of you guys have one of these, this is actually really, really dense to squish. It's a water squishy filled with Orbeez, but they're so tightly packed in there, and this is really heavy. I'm not sure why they're all mixed together. There's the emoji heart face ball. That one's actually really squishy. This one would be good for decoing, just to get it to deco and make it into something else. I've seen this one before on videos, but not here, the little planet squishy. This one's actually super soft and solarizing, look at that. And I think this is the last store that we're going to be hitting today. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos and future giveaways. And I will see you all next time.